Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to look for your Apple ID on iPhone. So before getting started, I want you to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's get started. So firstly, what you have to do is for you to go over to your profile. As you can see on my own, it's showing my name, Tina. So and over there you're going to see Apple accounts, iCloud and more. So let me go over to it. And when you move over to it, you're going to see your email. You're going to see your email. You're going to see personal information, sign in, security, payment, shipping and subscription, cloud, family, find my. You're going to see you're going to find a lot of things here. And for you to get your personal information, you just have to go over to your personal information. The ID is just like your ID card information about your Apple account, and here you're going to see your everything concerning your signing and security. If you want to change your number or add email or change password, you're going to see two-factor authentication. You're going to see recover contact, recover key and many more. And guys, this is the end of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you next time guys. Bye.